your curly hair will be visible only on the left and right side of your forehead. They will not cover your face. Then, when you place a jewel on your turban, your maidservant will see that the locks of hair pushed to the left and right side are pushed to the left and right side. Whenever you are massaged with oil or engaging in intimate pastimes, we will see your face completely covered by your hair. Thus, we, your maidservants, will relish abundant sweetness with our eyes. So now, Vishwanath comments. He steps out of the lila, he steps back into his Acharya Sarup as Vishwanath. He says this, what is Krishna's face like? Sometimes the earrings or kundala of Krishna are completely visible. Sometimes partially visible or completely covered by locks of hair. So of course, the words of Shastra and the words describing Leela are all like a key to open a door. If you have a door and there's a lock, if you have the key and you open the door, there may be an empty room inside, or there may be so many amazing things inside, but you have to enter inside. So these verses and shlokas describing Leelas are like keys, and you have to put it in, and you have to put your meditation into these phrases. Because the question would be asked by acharyas and by sensitive sadhakas. The acharya, the Rasik Jana, is saying that sometimes Krishna's kundala are completely visible. And when? In what circumstance? And one has to recollect and think, oh, in this lila or in that lila. Or partially visible, or completely covered by locks of hair. Sometimes the earrings are stationary, or slightly moving, or completely agitated. In this way, Krishna's kundala, which are mentioned in the verse, earrings, reveal various types of beauty. Tava Kundala Shri. That's why he's giving some comment on the Shri. In other words, the verse says, Tava Kundala Shri Gandha Staladhara. So the translation is, Shri, says your beautiful earrings. Shri. So then, what does Shri mean? So then he says, in all these different ways, because Shri means beautiful, but in what ways are Krishna's earrings beautiful? In what ways are Krishna's earrings beautiful?